Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix Windows 10 not opening any programs or not found exe files. Go to the start menu and type registry editor, right click and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control, click on yes. In this new window, select the next directory. Go to hkey place root and select or browse .exe. This file and double click in the right side and in default and change and rename for exe file and hit in OK. In the left side, scroll down and select exe file and edit the default configuration to double click and change for and rename with this symbol %1 this symbol % and star, copy and click on OK. For very soon this is the value, copy and select this and paste and click on OK. Select exe file, scroll shell, select open and open on default option and paste the value data and click on OK. Restore your folder 3 and to apply the change, restart your computer. Go to the start button, select power off and click on restart and wait a moment. Login in your desktop and your problem has been fixed. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.